I got this thing set up to be driven by my drill. Have a couple bearings on that block there. I have the 3-phase wires here coming out, running into a voltage divider which has a 1000 ohm R1 and 10 ohm R2. Set it right here on my breadboard. This is the pattern I'm getting. I'll run it another time here. Seems to have a lot of extra voltage triggering it there. I don't know if that's normal or not. Run it again. Here. I'll set the trigger up here at 600 millivolts. There. It's a little cleaner. Anyways, this voltage divider, so I got my probe set at 10x, and my voltage divider should reduce it by 10 times, I guess. This calculator here, I have an input voltage of 600 divided by 10 would be 660. R1 of 1000, R2 of 10, that gives me a output of around 600 millivolts, which I don't know if that's normal because I'm not running this up to 5500 RPM like I would expect my engine would run it at. This drill is only gonna put out maybe 1800 RPM. Anyways, I'll give you a better look at pattern here.